What's going on, y'all? Today I'm going to go ahead and show y'all my trailer build. I built this kayak trailer right behind me for around 300 bucks. Now that's excluding the boxes on it and the actual trailer itself. But I'm going to show y'all how you can build this trailer for around 300 bucks and then probably around 600 with the boxes and the trailer and all of that included. But without further ado, let's dive in here and I'm going to walk y'all through my trailer. All right, so got the trailer set up right here, and so basically just the base of the trailer would be just like a standard jet ski trailer. Now you can find these on Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace all day long for in between 100 and 200 bucks. Now most of the time they will need a new set of wheels and hubs put on them, but other than that, you know, you can get you a decent base set up right there for around $250. And then all the stuff that I put on the trailer is going to end up being between 200 and 300 bucks. But what I did here was use all uni strut. So all this right here is just uni strut material, and it's direct bolt on, so no welds or anything like that. Basically just drilling a hole through the frame, bolting it all up, and this stuff came together in about, I don't know, 4 or 5 hours. This whole thing was built. But yeah, so came through here, ran uni strut up. I wanted a rack system up top to be able to store basically more boxes, more gear, or be able to throw another kayak up on top. And so got the rack set up right here, and then directly below the racks I wanted a place to put a cooler, another gearbox, anything like that. So if I got my cooler right here, all I gotta do is put a cable between here, the bars running around it. I can lock it in place. To get my cooler off, just take the lock off, slide my cooler out. I got that right. So got this box that's sitting up here for more extra gear. I don't have it bolted down yet, it's just freestanding, but I'm gonna come from underneath and just put some U-bolts through there and mount it to the box, so to kind of, I won't say it'll permanently mount it, but it'll keep it from anybody, you know, coming up and taking the box. So it'll mount it right there so nobody can steal it, and I'll still have all my gear locked up. I got this little rack right here on Facebook Marketplace for $25, I do believe. So super cheap find right there, 25 bucks. Got that whole rack. I got the Malone paddle holder right here, so my paddle stays right there. Yeah, and then so all I did was come off the front with uni strut, came around here, and I mounted a box to the front. So my net, measuring device, life jacket, cameras, basically all of my gear that goes on my kayak goes in this box right here. So I have the ability to put a lock in there, lock that up. So we took this uni strut, came around the front, and the way we bent it and made this turn, it kind of had some sharp edges. You can see it kind of poking through right there. So I just took some rubber pipe insulation, ran it across through there, zip tied it on there to try to take away some of the sharp points where kids or people aren't coming up rubbing their elbows against it and getting cut and whatnot. So yeah, that's pretty much this side of the trailer right here. Like I said, just came up with a uni strut, built out a frame, put a place for 2 boxes, 3 boxes really, ice chest, and then the rack up top. So let's walk around to the other side. So I got my rod locker set up right there, and all I did was come with that uni strut all the way to the back of the trailer down here, which would give me 2 good pieces to connect my rod box to. Right there, it's pretty secure. I mean, that's that whole trailer that's budging right there. I've done a couple of long road trips, have not had any problems out of that yet. I do think I'm going to probably change the layout. I feel like I got the box just sticking too far out, so I think I'm going to cut, I don't know, about 4 inches off right here, and then angle the box down just a little bit to kind of get it to where it's not sticking so far out away from the trailer. But yeah, I framed this side all the way to the back of the trailer, and you'll notice on this side of my trailer I left this corner off right here. And I did that because that's where I swing, after I pull my kayak out of the water, that's the side that I swing the bow up to lay it on my runners that you see underneath. And then I just slide my kayak up through there, strap it down, and it's pretty secure right there. So yeah, all of this, I would say the uni strut, all of the bolts and everything to put this thing together was probably right at about 200 bucks. 25 bucks in the rack right here. Got another $60 in this box, $30 in this Plano box. And yeah, got one more little thing to show y'all. So on this crossbar right here, I went ahead and put some more pipe insulation, and I did that so I could, whenever I come off the water, if I got these wet hooks right here, salt water sitting on them, I don't want to put these back in my box until I rinse them and dry them. So I just hang them up right there and they're secure. And I've probably done, you know, 150 miles with these lures like that, and I haven't lost any like that yet. So just kind of sticking them in there and allowing them to air dry, and it prevents my hooks from rusting. So a little mod right there. I do plan on in the future hooking up some lights on the back right here so I can shine down on the ramp. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it, y'all. Super easy build. I know there are a lot of companies out there that are charging $4,000 or $5,000 for a trailer to have uprights and all of this storage options, and really you don't have to spend that kind of money. You know, all you need is some uni strut, a good drill bit, and some 3/8 bolts. Run them through there, bolt it in there, and I mean, this stuff is not going anywhere. I mean, it is super secure, so none of this is going anywhere. I think I forgot to mention this box right here. I bolted it down so it is permanently in place, so nobody can just come up and steal that box. But I guess if a thief wants something bad enough, they will get it. But it definitely makes it hard for somebody to just come up and steal it. And yeah, I mean, the trailer right now, you can add pretty much anything you want to it. Another thing I'm looking at adding in the future is I'm going to come up with some uni strut right here, come out, have a little drop down, and just have a step right here so I can step up on there and allow me to get to this box a lot easier. Just give me, you know, another foot or two up in the air so I can get in there and get to that box a little bit easier. But yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. This entire trailer build, with the exception of the boxes and the trailer itself, was a little less than 300 bucks, I do believe. So easy to do. Y'all get out there, rig it up however you want. It's just a bunch of uni strut, direct bolt-on stuff, real simple build. Go out there. If y'all got any questions, drop them in the comments, let me know. I will post everything I have on this trailer in the description, so y'all can go back there and see the stuff that I used, where to get it from, this, that, and the other. And yeah, let me know if y'all have any questions, and subscribe if you haven't already. We'll see y'all next time.